All right, just got my ProBio skin. All right, now this is for your animals, gut health and skin health. All right, so what I do currently, I give them eggshells because it has vitamin E and pretty much a lot of things that they need. Now, this is a plus, but the only thing is that you're gonna have to sneak this into them because they come in pills like this. All right. And I have a solution. Now, you're going to have to keep this away from any kind of heat or sun. Keep them in a nice cool area, right? And there's regular capsules, if you guys can see, and they dissolve real quick. Now, when I give this to my dogs and cat, I always mix it up. Don't overdose. Check with your veterinarian before you start giving them any kind of supplements. What I would do when they approve it, give him one, see how he works, how he looks the whole week, and then you can continue the cycle. But right now, we're just going to try one and let them have it. Right now, they give you a lot of capsules to begin with. So I'm going to show you how you sneak it in there. All right, for the capsule, you can do it two ways. Dissolve the capsule in their dog food or cat food, but keep this in there to keep it fresh, right? The silica. So right now, what I like to do is I like to roll one in there, to be honest with you. And they eat it right away that they don't even know. So give them some of their favorite treats. And that's pretty much it. So that's what I do. I just give them a special treat like this and roll it up in there. And we're going to give this to Crypto first. Crypto, come here. Here you go. So Crypto's going to eat the entire thing. And he didn't even notice. See how simple it was? Now, second one, we're going to give it to Toby. This is Toby's. And Toby's the one that needs it the most because he has a lot of issues. He has allergies and so forth. So we're trying to maintain his balance on this. So we're going to give this to Toby with the sneaking pill, see? And automatically finish it. So if you guys have dogs or cats, want to maintain their health, this is a way to do it. I hope you guys enjoy the video.